Welcome to this video on how to use visual marketing to improve your digital marketing strategies. If you're interested in improving your digital marketing strategies and want to harness the power of visual marketing, this video is for you. In this video, we will explore how to use visual marketing to improve your online presence and achieve your marketing goals. Step 1. Understand visual marketing. Visual marketing involves using images, graphics, videos, and other visual elements to communicate with your audience. It's an effective way to grab your customers' attention and create a memorable brand experience. Step 2. Create quality visual content. To use visual marketing effectively, it's important to create quality visual content. This means using well-designed images and graphics that are consistent with your brand and marketing message. You can use tools like Canva and Adobe Creative Suite to create high-quality visual content. Step 3. Use social media platforms. Social media is a great platform to use visual marketing. You can use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to share images, videos, and graphics that represent your brand and your products or services. Make sure to use the right hashtags and engage with your followers to maximize your impact on social media. Step 4. Use visual marketing on your website. Your website is your online hub, so it's important to use visual marketing to create a good experience for your visitors. Use images and graphics to guide visitors through your site and to highlight your products or services. Step 5. Use video marketing. Video marketing is a great visual marketing technique that allows you to tell your story and showcase your products or services. You can use videos on your social media, your website, and even in your advertising campaigns. In summary, to use visual marketing effectively, it's important to understand visual marketing, create quality visual content, use social media platforms, use visual marketing on your website, and use video marketing. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of digital marketing. Thank you for watching the video.